Hello everyone, this is Jess from the Estevan Public Library, and this month, for Asian Heritage Month, we have a very special guest here today, Anna.
Hello everyone, my name is Anna Lee. I'm working at the Estevan Public Library, and it's very pleasure to show our Korean food.
So what are we making today, Anna?
Yeah, we will make Mussam Mari. It's a kind of the salad. You can use it as an appetizer or side dishes. The Mussammari is traditionally used at the special occasion, such as a birthday, wedding ceremony. Nowadays, it's very popular as a potluck party items because of its color and taste and easiness to make it.
Awesome, thank you. So for this recipe, you will need some spinach, a red and a yellow pepper, a white radish or a Daikon, cucumber, carrot, and some meat. You can either use chicken or bacon or any kind you like, right, Anna?
Yes.
And you'll also need some honey, mustard, and some sesame seeds. Let's get started.
Slice white radish as thin as you can do, but it's a little bit thicker. Doesn't matter because it will be pickled by pickling water, so it will be getting soft. So this size I made it. Pickling water with 1 cup of water into the pan, and 1 cup of sugar inside. Teaspoon of salt, just a little bit, and stir until sugar and salt melt.
Go.
So when sugar and salt melt fully, we turn off heat and add 1 cup of vinegar into the hot pickling water. Then we will use the hot pickling water to the sliced radish to pickle. Put the radish into the sanitizer jar or container, please. Then we will pour pickling water as it's hot. Hot pickling water making the white radish more crunch, keep the crunches. Just to make it cool down in the room temperature for a while. Then we can keep this jar with lid at the fridge for 2 or 4 hours before we using to the Mussammari. In the boiling water, so we put the spinach inside and just turn off the heat. Make it tender. the cold water. This spinach will be used as a tie end of the wrap. That's all.
So Anna said that we can use any meat we like. So for this one, we're going to use a little bit of cooked chicken and some bacon. So you can choose whatever meat you like. Just cook it however you like it.
So we will julienne vegetables about the 5 centimeters. I will show that with a cucumber. You test. Would you try the,
Oh yeah.
the bell pepper? 5 centimeter and julienne very thin, but it doesn't much matter. So now we will make a dipping sauce. It's a honey mustard sauce. So we will use yellow mustard and white vinegar and some honey. So I will put the 2 spoons of white vinegar and 2 spoons of yellow mustard and 2 spoons of honey inside. It's all ratio will be 1 and 1 and 1. And stir together. Sesame oil, sesame seed, or ground nuts for garnish over the honey mustard sauce. But if you don't like, you don't need to. First, I will add some sesame seed over here.
Bigger too.
Yeah. This is already made in Ssammu. You can find it in Asian market or Korean market. It's easy to make a Mussam Mari right away. You don't need to wait. You can drain the pickling water and squeeze it slightly to use Ssammu. Let's try with one piece and vegetable and meat. Together like that. And some then add making the cone shape.
we have some lovely Mussam Mari. Thank you so much, Anna, for teaching us how to make this beautiful and wonderful smelling dish.
You're very welcome. So it was a very good chance to introduce our Korean food to everyone. Thank you.
Oh, thank you. And thank you all for joining us on how to make Mussam Mari. The written instructions for this recipe can be found in the video description below. If you made this and want to show off your own dish, be sure to tag us on your social media posts. I hope you can all join us for our next cooking video, but until then, take care.